Welcome back. Now in this video we will start working right on the home screen and we will modify that. So let's go ahead and start working on that. The first thing that we will do, we will simply go towards the widget build, and in here we will just grab that scaffold with the widget, and in here we will take the container. As you guys can see, now in here scaffold is child. Now right in there we will set the decoration, the linear gradient color, combination of two color. So we have already wrote the code for that, so for time saving I'll go towards the login screen and open the background dot. In here I'll just simply copy that decoration from here to here. Simply copy that and close that dot file. Go back towards the home screen dot. In here, right in this container, as you guys can see, right in there, paste it. Okay. So if you guys didn't how to load the app, simply how to load the app from here. I have already how to load the app, so there is no need of doing it again. I'll just press the Control S, and you guys will notice the changes. Control S. So it's not working. First let me just also apply the background color in order to get that linear gradient color, combination of two color, orange and teal. Okay, so for that, right in the scaffold, what I'll do, I'll say background. There we go with the color, and now we will just set this with the colors dot transparent. Now if you guys just press the Control S, you guys will notice the changes. Control S, and boom, there we go, as you guys can see. Okay, combination of two color, orange and teal. Now we will also make the app bar beautiful, because that purple color is not attractive. So what I'll do, first I will remove that leading because we don't need this for now. Just simply delete that. Okay, like that. Let me just repass the code, because with it we just also remove that brush of app bar. So what I'll do, from here just to here, just a drag. Okay, remove that. All good. As you guys can see, now the error is gone. Now let's move further. Press the Control S, and the link icon is gone. So now right in the app bar we will have a flexible space. There we go. In there we will take the widget container, and right in there we will provide the decoration code. There we go, as you guys can see. Okay, that code that we just passed above in here also. So now just press the Control S, and you guys will notice changes for the app bar. Control S, and boom, there we go. Okay, let's look more attractive now, and we will do one other change right in the app bar title. Okay, we will make this more attractive, this text. So what I'll do, I'll just simply do some style for that. So in here comma, and as usual style. So as usual text style in there. Let me just take this down from here so that you guys can see it easily. Okay, now right in the text style, first we will just provide the color. So we will go with the colors dot black 54 would be good, and also I'll just provide the font family. We will go with the Signature. Okay, now in here also we will just adjust the font size, so we will set this to 30 in here comma. Now also we will set this under title to false. So first I'm gonna write in there, we'll say center title and set this to false. I'll just find now. Press the Control S, and you guys will notice the changes for that style specific. So Control S, and boom, there we go. Okay, it's more attractive than before. So basically that's it for this video. Right from the next video we will work further. So see you in the next one.